Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Casio AE 1700H, the essential digital watch for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts. Casio has launched the AE 1700H, a new digital sports watch designed for users who need a durable, highly visible, and reliable timepiece for outdoor activities. Key features and capabilities. 10-year battery life, powered by a CR2032 battery, offering virtually zero maintenance. 100-meter water resistance, suitable for shore, boat, or wet environment fishing. Robust design, features a tough build and a large, easy-to-read, illuminated display. Fishing mode, the standout feature, utilizing the classic lunar method, based on moon phase and solar/lunar position, to estimate fish activity. It provides a simple 4-level suitability system, unfavorable, acceptable, good, or excellent, to indicate the best time to fish. Standalone functionality, does not require GPS, mobile coverage, or connection to external devices, ensuring reliable performance anywhere. Planning tool, allows users to check the predicted fish activity for future dates and times, aiding in trip planning. Additional functions include stopwatch, 24-hour countdown timer, world time, 3 multifunction alarms, full auto calendar, to 2099, silent mode, and a classic rotating bezel for timing. The Casio AE 1700H is positioned as a reliable, high-utility assistant for anglers, leveraging years of Casio's outdoor watch expertise. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.